In this video, I will show you how to add Bitcoin in Trust Wallet in 2023. So let's jump straight into it. The first thing you're going to want to do is make sure you've got Trust Wallet, so you can download that from the Play Store or the iTunes Store, and then you want to load up Trust Wallet on your phone. So I do apologise if the screen does go blank. It's just that when you're recording your screen, when you're logging in, it does actually disable the screen recording. So you can see now I'm in my Trust Wallet, and what you want to do is basically come up to the top and you've got some options at the top. So you've got like send, receive, buy and swap. All you need to do from here is simply click onto buy. And then from here, I just want to note you can buy other cryptocurrencies if you want to, but if you look at the top, you can see Bitcoin. So what you want to do is click onto that. And from here, what you can do is just enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to choose. So at the moment it's set to $150. You can change your currency in the top right hand corner. So you can change that to whichever currency you want to, and it's going to tell you how much Bitcoin you're going to purchase with that amount underneath. Also, what you need to do is select your third-party provider, so your exchange, and you can see at the moment it's set to Mercurio, which is offering the best rate, but you can press onto this and choose any of the providers. So you can see, for example, you've got things like MoonPay, Ramp and Binance. So I'm going to leave it set to Mercurio, and what you want to do is just put the amount that you want to purchase. So I can change this to £20 for example, and once you're happy, just go ahead and click next underneath. So this is going to take you across to the third-party providers exchange, and from here it's going to confirm how much you're going to pay and what you're going to get in terms of Bitcoin. So if you're happy to proceed, go ahead and click the blue proceed button down beneath, and what you would then do is enter your email address. Once that's done, go ahead and click to say you've read and agreed to the terms of service, click proceed. And what it's then going to do is send a quick confirmation code to your email, so you just want to enter that down into here. And what you can then do is choose how you would like to pay for the Bitcoin. So you've got like a bank transfer, you can do a Visa debit card payment or Google Pay. Of course, this is all variable, it depends on the third party provider and of course which country you're in. So you would just go ahead, choose which payment method you want to do, click on to proceed, and that would go ahead and purchase the Bitcoin. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you would consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.